Figures R, S, and T are all scaled copies of one another. Figure S is a scaled copy of R using a scale factor of 3. Figure T is a scaled copy of S using a scale factor of 2. Find the scale factor from R to T. So one of the strategies that I like for problems like this, where I don't have a picture, is to draw a sketch for myself. So I drew a triangle, labeled it R, and I'm giving it side lengths of 1. From here, it says figure S is a scaled copy of R. We're using a scale factor of 3. So I'm going to multiply each of the side lengths by 3. And when I do, I'll have a triangle with side lengths of 3, 3, 3. So this is figure S, and it has side lengths 3, 3, and 3. Now from here, we have figure T. It's a scaled copy of S using a scale factor of 2. So I'm going to multiply this times 2, and 3 times 2 is 6, so now I have a new scaled triangle with side lengths of 6, 6, and 6. That's figure T. The question I'm looking at is find the scale factor from R to T. So from R over here to T. So to do this, I will need to have the scaled value over the original. That's how we set these up. So I will pick one side, say for example the base of the triangle, and I will use its measurement, which is 6, and then I will look for the corresponding side on the original, and that one in this case has a side length of 1. And so the scale factor to go from R to 6 to T is a scale factor of 6. Now this makes sense to me because to go from R to T requires a growing scale factor, right? So what kind of scale factor? I need a growing one. The numbers that give me a growing scale factor are numbers greater than 1. If I multiply by a scale factor greater than 1, then it makes a growing scale. It's a growing scale factor that'll make my picture grow. If you picked the common wrong answer of 1/6, then I think that you set up your numbers in the wrong order. So it looks like you might have reversed the numerator and the denominator, or the values in the numerator and the denominator. So instead of putting scaled over original, you pulled the original number, which is 1, and you put that over the scaled value, which is 6, and that gave you a scale factor of 1/6. So 1/6 does not make sense. 1/6 is a shrinking scale factor, and we are definitely growing as we go from R to T. So that's a nice way to check your answer. You had the right values on this one, but you had them in the reverse order. So in making sure to avoid this error in the future, one is to think about which direction are we going? Do I have scaled over original? And then to just do that double check around, was I expecting a growing scale factor or was I expecting a shrinking scale factor?